Today I've got another Mortice lever lock. This one is a Legge or Legge free lever and it's for sliding doors. I've picked these in the past and showed you how they work, but you may have missed the previous video and I've just got hold of this one, so I thought I'd do another video showing you these. Now this works okay. That's the bitting on the key. And as you can see, the bolt splits into four. And that's because when it goes into the other door, it grips onto it. Obviously, it was a flat bolt. It would just slide in and out. So it's for sliding doors. Now, these are quite easy to pick, but what you've got to be careful of is if you can see that silver piece in the middle, that's the bolt. It doesn't sit at the back. Like I say, I've picked these before and I know full well, if you put your tension tool into the back, it will spin round. But also, if you pull it too far forward, you'll catch onto the lever. So you've got to just get the tension tool in just right. Put your tension on. Once you've got your tension on, you'll know it's on the bolt, not a lever, because it will be solid. And then you should be able to pick him up. Notice I'm picking from the furthest point, from the pivot point, which is there. So I'm going that way. Just lift your levers up. Getting little bits of movement, and then it opens up. So you can see the bolt in there now. You need to find that with your pick and just push it across to fully open it. So we'll have a quick look at the levers and I'll show you what I mean about that bolt. Nice locks to pick these, and to be honest, when I first picked one, I couldn't work out why. I couldn't tension the bolts. But once you've picked a couple, obviously you know what's going on inside. So that's your first lever. No false gates in any of the levers. You have got a couple of spacers in these. There's a spacer. That's your second lever. Another spacer. And that's your third lever. So now you can see the bolt, and you can see obviously it sits in the middle. Get my tension tool. So if you go too far, you'll go underneath it. And if you come too far out, you'll catch the lever. So you've only got a thin piece of metal to catch onto. You could make a wider upright if you wanted to, which would probably help. But yeah, that's it. Not bad locks. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.